How to add bet code in 1xBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the 1xBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add the bet code, here in this home screen, at the bottom center, you can see the bet slip option. Tap on it. In this bet slip page, you have different options over here. In order to add the bet code, you must have taken the note of the bet code before. If you have the bet code with you, here you can see load bet slip option. Tap on this. You can add the bet code over here. Once you add your bet code, you can tap on this upload button and it will redirect you to the bet that has been already created before. You can now make necessary changes and place your bet. You can see all the bet slips that has been created here before. So that's it. That's how you can easily add bet code in the 1xBet app account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.